The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is one stunning looking device, though that back glass panel is quite brittle. Recently, I went over the handlebars of my bicycle and this happened. I shattered the back glass while using a cheap hardshell transparent case. If I were you guys, I would go out and buy myself a RhinoShield case to suit that beautiful design of your Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Better yet, you can enter into the competition to be one of 2 winners to choose any RhinoShield case for any device of your liking. All you have to do is hit a comment in the comment section down below on why you like my channel, as well as why you enjoy RhinoShield cases when it comes to design and build quality. We have an 11-foot drop radius on these cases over here. We also have a food grade BPA, BPS free style over here with a nice snug fit, and it's very thin at just 3mm here. We're going to start over here with a SolidSuit plain white case. As you guys can see, top right hand corner over there, retails for USD 30 bucks over there. We have a nice added mesh underneath the case over there to keep your phone nice and protected. We also have a sandpaper finish on the sides of the phone to keep that added grip when holding the rubbery back finished case here. Around the case we have some nice cutouts over there, all the cutouts that you need, which are essential to plug in a charger, and we have no issues there in that regard. When popping in your phone into the case, it fits nice and snug. It's really easy to get in and out of the case, and I must say it looks absolutely stunning. I really like this white cover over here, and it really gives it some extra flair, little bit of an added pop to your phone when looking from the front or back. We know the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is curved over here, but the phone case does not obstruct the way of that. We have very clicky power buttons and volume rockers over here, and the volume rocker almost seems to be a bit split, which is something that is actually lacking on the S20 Ultra. As you guys can see, the power and volume rocker is also kind of protruding out of the case over there. It's kind of split away from it, and it really makes for a really genuinely nice feel. Here is the sandpapered finish on the borders that I was talking to you about earlier. It really does add a nice feel and a bit of an added grip to the case. I really dig this plain white case, and now we're going to check out the plain black case. Once again, SolidSuit, and it is the plain black version for 30 bucks. We have the same rubbery feel that we did with the white one, and we have the same camera bump there and mesh underneath the case there to protect your phone. We have that same wonderful fuzzy little bit of mesh on the side over there for that sandpaper feel to add some added grip, and once again we have those wonderful clicky volume rockers and power buttons. It looks absolutely gorgeous in black as well. If you want to keep things nice, plain and simple, it's your choice to pick up a white or black one. I think I'd stick with the black one to keep things a little bit more subtle. We also have another SolidSuit case here, but though this time we have a leather case, slightly more expensive at $40 here, but you can personalize your name over here. Thanks RhinoShield for adding my name there. I didn't even ask for that. It looks absolutely superb, and this leather feels absolutely terrific, guys. I must say it is actually on my phone right now, and I will be using it for the foreseeable future. I have a really nice feel to it, and once again we have that sandpapered finish around the borders of the phone to add some extra grip, and the leather itself is quite grippy too. My favorite of the bunch so far. And next up we have the carbon black carbon fiber SolidSuit case. This one retails for $35. It has pretty much like a material feel to it mixed with rubber, very similar to those material Google Pixel cases that you've seen before. We have the same aesthetics as seen on the previous plain black, plain white and leather cases over here, with that sandpapered finish on the side and all the necessary cutouts. It looks absolutely stunning as well over here, and I really dig the way that it makes your camera bump absolutely flare. It's like making it the center of attention over here, which is great. It feels nice and grippy. I must say, maybe a tad grippier than the rubber cases, not as much as the leather case though. It still looks absolutely fantastic. It pretty much comes down to personal preference, whether you want the grippiness or whether you want the added flair of design there. Next up we have some personal prints here. This is the geometric wolf. You can actually get this. It is a pre-production, well actually post-production design made by RhinoShield. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. You can actually feel that it is embroidered onto the phone over there, and it feels really strong. I don't think that this will be rubbing off your phone anytime soon. It looks superb over here from all angles. I really do dig what they have done with the geometric wolf. And just to add to the SolidSuit cases over here, we do have quite a big camera bump over there on the Samsung, so to make sure that that is not obstructing or getting scratched, then we do have a nice lip over there to prevent any scratches on your camera. Now we have the colored camo edition over here, another print from RhinoShield themselves. You can also get some collaboration prints, and in the near future I will be putting up my TechNick logo print over there for you guys to purchase that one as well. This is one of my favorite prints that I have seen of RhinoShield, hence why I asked them to send it to me. And once again we have have that nice refined camera bump over there. So to protect it, we have that camera module over there on RhinoShield to prevent any scratches. We also have some CrashGuard cases over here, pretty much exactly the same as the SolidSuit cases, though it is lacking the back. We have the same thickness over here, though it does feel slightly thinner in your hand since we are lacking the back there. We have the nice mesh on the sides over there, and once again that sandpaper feel on the sides of the phone, on the sides of the cover that is, and popping your phone in is just as easy as the SolidSuit. This is the cheapest one, retailing for 25 bucks, and it looks absolutely incredible. We have a nice lip covering the camera bump and a lip on the front as well. When you do put your phone down on a flat surface with its back facing downwards, there is no phone wobble whatsoever on a flat surface when moving it around on the front or back, which is a really nice added touch. The white looks extra awesome over here, added some extra flex to your phone over there. It looks absolutely superb, and I really do dig the carbon fiber one over here. I dig the SolidSuit cases with these different designs. My favorite must be the leather one, but I really do enjoy the CrashGuard bumper cases. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment down below to win. And until next time, guys, this is TechNick.